We observe a very concerning increase of number of children kept under detention because of their migration status. So we see in many countries a number of children that are simply detained for long periods, and they are finally kept under what we define an unacceptable situation. There are many unseen scars. What does it mean? The psychological distress of these children that are remaining stranded. They do not see an opportunity, a perspective to join their family. It is having a huge impact over their psychological status that will have consequences for a long lifetime. Linked to the EU-Turkey deal, there was a framework for the relocation of the people stranded in Greece and in Italy. As of today, the numbers still of the people that have been relocated, particularly children, and particularly unaccompanied separated children that have been relocated in a number of member states, is very, very small. Now, one of the major problems is, since this EU-Turkey deal, eventually we have less visibility of the people that is moving, but we are aware that even getting data or outreaching these children is becoming extremely complex because they are becoming invisible. In order to try to move, they have no alternative but to rely on criminal organization, on smuggling organization, and many of them, probably the majority of them, we do not even see while moving, closing trucks. Our call is, we need really to rethink the current frame of this agreement, the potential replication of this agreement in other scenarios, and take into consideration what we call safe passages. We need to give an opportunity to people, particularly the most vulnerable, like children, to have a safe passage, to have the right to seek protection and to seek for an environment where they can survive. If we are going to Bulgaria, consider that just in 2016, every single child that was intercepted by the police forces was put for an average of 8 days under detention. That was in 2016. As of today, we see a negative trend because we see that it is doubling the term of detention. So most of the time, these children in the first 3 months of this year were spending an average of 17 days in detention. Civil society are doing since years.